Hi, Mr. Mark Anthony Asog. Hi. Surprise! Oh, gulat ka, no? I just want to greet you. Happy anniversary. Congratulations kasi akalain mo yun. 1 year na. Wow. Gusto ko lang malaman ng lahat kung gaano ko ka-bless kasi nagkaroon ako ng isang boyfriend na katulad mo. Alam mo yon, ang alam lang kasi nila, bully ka, makulit ka. But then, for a year, I've seen a different Mark Anthony Asog. Alam mo yon, yung totoong ikaw. Behind those kakulitan, alam mo yon, nakita ko na meron kang itinatago na kabutihan sa puso mo. Ayun. Babe, for a year, I just wanna thank you because, alam mo yon, I've laughed, I've cried, I've been hurt, but then, ang importante doon, I've learned a lot from you. Ayun. Marami kang itinurong bagay sa akin. Like, alam mo yon, I'm forced to cook. Alam yun, natutunan ko magluto ng dahil sa'yo. I've learned to value a lot of things ng dahil sa'yo. Especially, valuing myself more and more. And, I don't know kung ano pa yung mangyayari in the future or in the coming years. But then, I'm still willing to take the risk of loving you more and more. And, ayun, gusto kong pasalamatan ka lalong-lalo na for introducing me to a lot of people, especially to your family. Alam mo yung kila Ate Jel, kila mama mo, kila Kuya Von, kila Chantel, and kila Darla, kila Ate Malu. Ganun din kila Calvin, to your craziest friends, kina Cristel, kila Jen, and to your workmates. Alam mo yon, salamat because you allowed me to enter your world, your different world. Alam mo yon, and what more can I say? But then, I love you, and I'm loving you more and more each day. Ayun. Kung ano man yung dapat mong baguhin, alam mo naman yun. I just pray to God that He will protect this relationship, and I promise to hold on, and to be with you always. Andito lang ako palagi para sa iyo. Ayun, happy anniversary! I love you so much.